Everything that I say or mention is for educational purposes only. I may or may not hold some of the stocks that I mentioned. Please remember to do your own research before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. So today, going over a hot topic, hot sector. This is what's leading us into profits into end of the year. We've been preparing for this for quite some time. So now we want to know, how do we approach this? So US becomes largest Bitcoin mining center after China crackdown. We heard the fear, uncertainty, and doubt. The FUD from China cracking down on Bitcoin, getting rid of all the miners. Also saying that they were going to ban Bitcoin. It did nothing to it. In all actuality, it made it go up. This was a good thing for Bitcoin. Now you're starting to see clean energy stocks. One of the stocks that I will mention is ticker symbol ANY. This is a stock that we sent out back when it was doing Sphere 3D, and now it's going into Gaifen mining, and they're doing clean energy mining. Very excited about this. We're trading it higher. I will go over that chart shortly, but overall, you're seeing a lot of news. We're talking about also an ETF that's supposedly coming out. Cathie Wood's ARK Lens named to ETF tracking Bitcoin futures. We also have the Bitcoin halving coming up. So a lot of catalyst for crypto. And if you notice, crypto has just recently broken that 53,000 key resistance. I'm going to go over that shortly. And Ethereum. Mark Cuban says Ethereum has the most upside as a crypto investment. Ethereum, like I've said in the past, is a leading indicator of what Bitcoin does. So when we notice what Bitcoin is doing, or how we anticipate, is by keeping an eye on that barometer or that leading indicator in Ethereum. Ethereum is actually outperforming Bitcoin. So I foresee this showing us breakout of that 4,500 level, and we could potentially see anywhere between 10 and 15,000 end of the year. So there's a lot of upside on Ethereum. Adding pullbacks right now, right? We adding pullbacks. It gave us an opportunity to add between 900 and 1,000 on the pullback, and now it's trading around 3,600. I will go over these things. So moving forward, just gonna set this up so you can see what we're seeing on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we just recently broke a bull flag. Bull flag now breaks up on the upside. This is a daily chart trading above the 8 and 21 day moving average. Right now, a key support level is 55,000. So any pullbacks to 50,000, 55,000 will be a buy opportunity. We're still in target for 72,110 end of the year. If I look at the weekly chart, this is what gave me that we are still bullish even when it was pulling back. We were trading above that 21 day moving average. This is key. I said as long as we stay above the 21 day moving average, we're bullish. Okay, so this is 3 white soldiers on the weekly. Take a look at this huge volume bar. As long as we stay above that 21 day moving average, we continue to be bullish. Any pullbacks to that 47, 55,000, I'm going to be reloading. We are selling on the way up since we've been buying crypto between 29, 36,000. And then when we rallied to 53, we locked some, and now we're adding, and we added that pullback to 40,000. And that 40,000 held, and now we're trading up higher. What you notice here now is we're going to get into that kind of key level resistance here, which is that about, I'm going to say that 64,800 level. That's your previous rally high. So that's what we want to see, this test and break. That's what everybody's anticipating. So right now, that's what we're seeing. If we look at the Ethereum just line braked or broke this line and potentially could retest this high. I expect Ethereum to do this beforehand, to do this before Bitcoin. If you look at the weekly chart on Ethereum, you're trading above that 8 and 21 day moving average. Very, very bullish here. Okay, so now if I'm noticing this, what am I going to be looking at right now? GREQ. To me, this is probably the best setup right now. We're actually pre-market 78 cents right now. And why I like this is because if I come over here, we just broke a key downtrend, right? If I connect pivot highs, we just broke this downtrend. So right here, if I connect each pivot high here, we were in a massive downtrend. We broke above it, but then it had an offering, and now we're trading above it. This is the type of trade that can easily go up about 200%. Why do I say this? I'm going to come over here. I'm going to show you the chart that I already have set up here. Very, very simple stock to trade. What I'm going to do is I'm going to trade it to returns of the mean, meaning any pullbacks to the means I'm going to be adding. And why I tell you that is because once you break a key level, here, you're going to retest. If you notice, it rallied and then retested the means. It gave us an entry yesterday at 68.69 cents, and you have upside to this $1.59. Overall, if I look at the weekly chart, that's what I want to know. The weekly chart, look, 2 weeks above 75 cents, then we got 95 cents to 280. Again, I've called stocks like Mara at 40 cents when nobody was talking about it. I called ticker symbol ANY when nobody was talking about it. I called it, I'm going to say, take a look, just so you guys know. You could always search in the search box. And whenever I post, I'm always posting my initial entry. And this was May 27th. 138, big news. Offering closed, and take a look at where we were at there at $1.38, and this is the setups I like. MACD from negative to positive above that 8-day moving average. Let's look at GREQ. Same thing, 8-day moving average. If I go to the daily, same exact setup. 8-day moving average, we curled up, and now we're trading above the 8-day moving average. And why I like it a lot is if you look here, you had news on GREQ. So if I come here, it says Green Pro invest into pre-STO projects at Crypto Digital Asset Exchange. All right, so that was the news. And this is your Crypto SX digital crypto exchange. Buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with cash. All right, this is Crypto SX digital assets. And this is GREQ right now. And this is the press release here. All right, so it states here, today announced that it is investing in 2 STO projects approved by CSCw, and it's Crypto XX. This is very, very bullish. And on top of that, if I come over here, they deal with NFTs. One of the things right now, the hottest things right now is the NFT sector. So whenever I want to invest in something, I want to make sure that I'm investing in something that's in the now. Green Pro acquires 16 million in non-fungible tokens. There you go. All right, so it's active and they're actively updating. So watch any updates on this. Okay, now another stock that I've said, continue to add. To me, it's going to basically hit, I'm going to say $12.50 to $25. That's the level. I have already told you guys about this stock. It's ticker symbol ANY. I've been updating. If you're not following me, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Radio Silent Play. You come over here, and Sphere is trading very, very strong, and you're starting to get the power of the internet, meaning a lot of people are trading this stock. Why I like this now is because now I'm looking at the monthly chart, and the monthly chart is showing me $12.50 to $25. All right, so we're trading right now 813. If I want to know my supports, I just come over here and take a look. You're trading above key levels, all moving averages, and your floors are 652, 698, and that $5.50 is that clear floor. I don't mind nibbling here. What I would do is I would practice a rule of 3. And what I mean by a rule of 3 is that what you want to do is you want to create a buy zone at or near your prospective floor. So if you're buying, don't buy head in. Just create a buy zone. Add a percentage. If you're putting in $5,000, $10,000, what you do is break those up. Maybe do a third on each entry. Nibble. I say nibble to that floor. Scale into your prospective floor. As soon as you get in, immediately set your sell orders up to your personal profit margin, whatever that is, right? If I have a price target of $12.50 to $25, that's my personal profit margin. That's my target, right? And I don't break even on trades. I either sell up to my PPM, or if the stock closes below my floor, I get out on 2 consecutive closes. That's my stop. All right. I'm not a break-even trader. Remember, everything is risk when you trade. And then if I want to ride for a long hold, I have my friend here named Justin, last name Case. And this gentleman right here shows me to enter my trade on a PPM, leave 20 to 30% of my shares. Meaning if I have, let's say, $10,000, then I'm going to leave $3,000 in to ride up for that move. And then if it pulls back to the 8-day moving average, what I do is I just add 20% of my profits from the previous rally. If the stock closes below the 8-day moving average on 2 consecutive closes, I simply exit my just in case shares. If the stock, boom, breaks above the 8-day moving average, up to 25 to 100% above that 8-day moving average, it acts as a magnet. Okay, it depends. For small caps, I like to use 35% above the 8-day moving average. For OTCs, I like to use 100. Okay, so let's go back. So right now, any pullbacks to that $6.98, to that $7, $6.50, and $6 level is going to be a buying opportunity. I do expect Bitcoin to boom, test that 60 to 64,000, and then potentially pull back to 50, 55 for that next slingshot move. So don't be so aggressive. Make sure you're locking on the way up. Okay, next stock that I really like right now, CSCw. You take a look, 8-day moving average, we just closed above it. Beautiful. 2 consecutive closes, and you have a MACD divergence. Bullish divergence here. Black line into purple line. Histogram is going from negative to positive. Take a look. Last time it went negative to positive, stock went from 66 cents to 270. Just giving you a heads up, all right? I don't make this up, and I'm gonna just show you guys so you guys can't say I didn't teach you this. MACD, bullish divergence, right? Black line into purple line. That was over here. You closed above the 8-day moving average, and boom, you saw this rally from 80 to $2.70, and we're doing the same thing. We have upside 97, $1.20 to 270. Okay, this is a stock that recently did an offering too. That's fine. Adding any pullbacks to that 8-day moving average. That's my setup. Okay, and that's ticker symbol CSCW. Same thing. They also do NFTs. If I come here, they just had a massive contract with. They acquired the services of NBA legend Shaquille O'Neal. Shaquille O'Neal is a big name, especially in China. NFTs, anything. Okay, it says over here, creates live musical, bringing virtual world off online stage. Okay, this is big, and this is the NFT news that I was telling you as far as Shaquille O'Neal. Color Star Technology Ltd. to release exclusive online video by NBA star Shaquille O'Neal. Artificial intelligence in the entertainment. Now we're working with NFTs. All right, so this is big. It's a big name, right? It is a big name. So that's what I like. Now I'm going to move over to gaming. People did not see this, but ticker symbol FUN just announced news on gaming. This is their weekly chart. It's really bottomed. I like bottom plays. We remember when we traded this last Bitcoin rally, it hit a high of $3.40, and I expect a similar move right now. Why do I like it? Because if you look, you're trading in a very, very tight consolidation here. That's the 21-day moving average. So if I come over here, let me look at the chart setup that I set up for you guys. Remember, whenever you want to find my charts, all you have to do is go on my Twitter at Radio Silent Play, and I update religiously. And I don't just post nothing. I post real deal charts. Look, you just confirmed above the 8-day moving average. You have upside $1.43. Last move was $3.10. Bullish divergence here. And why do I like this a lot right now? Because take a look. Funware executes definitive agreement to acquire Light Technology. Now, who is Light Technology? Light Technology is a gaming and graphics founded only 2 years ago. Okay, I'm going to highlight this. Is profitable, a rapidly growing computer company that specializes in marketing and distributing custom high-end computers off the shelf with advanced graphic processing units for gaming, streaming, and cryptocurrency mining. Okay, that's what I like, and this is the website, and take a look at their products being sold. Okay, it's almost like Alienware with high-end NVDA chips. Okay, and they're not sold out. They are not sold out, so they actively have, and they're not in any shortage. Mining is huge, gaming is huge, NFT is huge. So these are stocks that I'm putting on the radar. All right, you guys are all set up for this, so make sure that you keep an eye on this. Remember to hit that like, subscribe, give it, share it with people on your social media. Hit that push notification because that's how you make money here. All right. If you want to access to the Patreon, secret weapon, the Patreon is in the description below. And I also have a free SMS service and it's in the description below. Take care, everyone.